Hello dear teacher and parents, welcome to all of you. As we all know that Vedic Maths is an useful and interesting system of maths. So that's why it's getting popularity day by day. So it makes sense that we can teach our child and student Vedic Maths in a right order, in a proper way. But sometimes teachers are facing lots of challenges while teaching Vedic Maths to their students. Throughout the year, over the course, many teachers have shared their challenges with us. So that's why to help them and to overcome the challenges that faced by the teachers, we at Welcome to Maths have designed a course. The course is Vedic Maths course for teachers and parents. Now, how the course will help you to overcome the challenges, let me show you. There are many challenges faced by your teacher while teaching Vedic Maths to their student. One of the challenges here, the students are not getting interest in Vedic Maths. So how to overcome this problem? What will you do? You have to do a proper curriculum planning, and have to take care about your delivery style. It's very important. And how this course will help you here? This course will give you an idea how to generate interest from day one of the course. Now let's see what are the other challenges faced by the teacher. The next challenge is Vedic Maths curriculum is not age specific. Different age group student wants Vedic Maths techniques but in different way. So how to overcome this problem? What you have to do? You have to form a structured course, And for this, how this course will help you? Will help you this course to customize your teaching process and customize your course planning. Sometimes teachers can't understand how to apply the Vedic Maths techniques with school maths and other competitive exams. Then how to overcome these challenges? For this, you have to learn how to apply the Vedic Maths concept with school maths and other competitive exams you have to learn. Our course will help you to apply the Vedic Maths techniques with the school maths and other competitive exams. Sometimes teachers and parents are facing unique problems that they are having an idea about some Vedic Maths techniques, but they are not knowing which ones are important. For this problem, what you have to do and how our course will help you, let me show you. For this, you want a comprehensive coverage. For that, our course will cover all the relevant and useful concepts. That is from basic to advanced. Everything we will cover here. And that will help you a lot. This is the unique features of Vedic Math course for teachers and parents. And whenever you learn from the course and you will create your own course, you will get lots of benefits from this. What are the benefits? Let me show you. That the bonding between the teacher and students are increasing. And not only that, they look up to you. Whenever you learn from the course and you can create your own course, whenever you create your own course, you can teach many students. So there is a huge career opportunity for you. So these are the benefits of learning Vedic Maths. So if you want to learn Vedic Maths in such a way, then enroll for the course. So see you in the course. Thank you.